In this video, we're going to talk about another transformation. And unlike the previous transformations, this one actually changes the shape of the original function. As you may recall, in the previous transformations, only the position changes, but the shape of the function remains the same. This one, the shape changes. Let me give an example. So let's say our function, our original function, is f of x equals 2 to the power of x. Okay? And so we can graph this function as usual. So you have x, y, this is 0, 1, 1, 2. Our horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. Okay? So let's sketch the graph of this function. Okay? So this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now let's take a look at a transformation of this function. F of x equals 1/2. So 1/2 of 2 to the power of x minus 1. Okay? Alright. So, what changed is the exponent. So, from x became x minus 1. And then we have a number outside our function. Okay? So, that number will change the shape of the original function. Okay? So, let's sketch the graph of our original function. So that's 0, 1, and then 1, 2. Horizontal asymptote is this line, and then we can approximate the graph something like that. Okay, now how about for this one? Okay, so here's what will happen. Here's how the transformation will happen. Okay, so you look at the exponent, you have x minus 1. That means we will move 1 unit to the right. Okay, so that means that this point will move 1 unit to the right. So that's supposed to be here, right? And then this point will move 1 unit also to the right, and that's supposed to be here. But we're not done yet. We have a 1/2. We have a 1/2 that we need to take into account. What this number does to our points is it's going to we're going to multiply this number to whatever the y value of our points, the transformed points. Okay, so this one, there's this 1 unit. Okay, so 1 unit times 1/2, that means 1/2. So we will move 1/2 unit, okay, down. Okay, this one is 2 units. Okay, 2 times 1/2, that will give us 1. And so this, basically what happens is we cut this entire length, the 2 pieces, and so that will move our point right here. Okay, and then we can we can erase this. Okay, we can erase that, and then still our horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. Nothing happened. So if we sketch the graph, that will actually look like this. Okay, so observe that the graph of the function is slightly different than the original. It's not just a change in position, it's also a change in shape. This one is more, I don't know how to describe this. The slope is a little smaller compared to this one right here.